Control-D offers a series of nebulizers for treating a wide range of respiratory diseases, such as COPD and asthma. Control-D Portable Nebulizer is an easy-to-operate, lightweight, and portable compressor nebulizer with advanced nebulization technology. The package includes a compressor nebulizer, medicine chamber, air tube, 3 extra filters, adult and child mask, making this an ideal nebulizer for the whole family. To get started, connect the main unit to a power supply. Connect the air tube from the nebulizer to the medicine chamber securely and tightly. With clean hands, twist and open the lid of medicine chamber. Make sure the green cap is in the place, as it is important for the mist formation. Fill the prescribed medication and close the lid of medicine chamber. The chamber can hold up to 6 ml of medication. Press the power switch and the nebulization will start. Observe whether the aerosol is generated, converting the medicine to mist. Hold the medicine chamber in upright position. Choose the suitable mask. Attach it to the medicine chamber. Put the mask over your mouth and nose. Take slow and deep breaths so that the medicine goes into your lungs. Breathe till the medicine is over. Use the child mask for kids. Easy to use, convenient to carry, and the ergonomic design makes the Control-D Portable Nebulizer suitable for all ages.